I bought a full silicone reborn baby doll from Amazon. I'm going to unbox it for you here. I thought it would be boxed in sturdier packaging. I've been looking for a full silicone reborn for a while. This one was very affordable. I'm going to be careful cutting this box open. I don't know how this doll is packed inside. Gosh, the doll is really stuffed in there. It appears to be just plastic and foam wrapping. Seems like there are some goodies inside. I can't tell which side I want to open first. Here are some clothes, a tiny onesie and a hat. Cute, looks like preemie or newborn size. Such an itty bitty hat. Adorable. One baby bottle with a soft nipple. One tiny little diaper. They've even included a birth certificate to fill out. Here are some squishy little toes. Wow, she's really squishy and heavy. I am amazed at the details and her baby wrinkles. She is floppy too. I need to support her head. I'd better put her diaper on since she is anatomically correct. Here she is. What a beautiful reborn baby girl. I'd say she's worth the price. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it answered some questions you might have had about this particular reborn doll from Amazon. The link is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching.